In today's time, we all are looking for the platform where we can hold the meeting in one go, where we can have virtual training classes. Also, we want the platform to remote interviews and so more. So don't worry, we have an platform where we can do anything done now in one place. So let's explore it. So the application which I'm talking about is Google Meet, that also known as Google Hangout Meets. It is built to let dozens of people join the same virtual meeting. Yes. And speak or share video with each other from anywhere with, of course, internet access. To get more about it, we should download the application first of all. Go through this video which will help you and can guide you as well to make better choice in terms of deciding the application for the virtual meetings. So let's begin. How can we download these applications and what are some steps that can be followed to reach to the destination? So first of all, we'll search this application name on Play Store. If you have Apple phone, you can also search it and find it on App Store. So let's search the name. Since I have searched it, so it is in suggestion. We'll install this application. It will take to us to this application. Once you will open it, it will ask you to select an ID which you want to join with. So I will select our favorite channel. So far so good. Once you will select that, you will get this user interface where it will show you kind gestures. So it is just welcoming us because we are very first time using it. So we'll click on continue. To use this applications, we must allow for these informations. So here is the user interface where we have few options available. We have 3 lines at top corner. We will click on that where we have 3 options available which has its own feature. Setting will help you to modify few things in this applications. With the send feedback, you can share your concern and can get the solution for the same. Under help tab, you can find some blogs and articles which can help you to get done with the troubleshootings. This new meeting, and second is join with a code. If you want to run your own meeting and want to share with your friends, peers and any members of your team, you can click on the new meeting. Here we have few options available. Get a link to share, start an instant meeting, schedule in. As per your feasibility, you can select an option and can follow the same. So if I click on get a meeting link to share, I will click on that. Here you can either copy the link or you can click on share invitations, which will suggest you many applications to share with. Once you share this link, anybody can join with this link and given code. So it was about how can you create a link and you can invite somebody to join on this platform. Now let's learn how can we join the meeting if we have the link and code. So I will click on my classroom where my teacher has posted a link to join. I'll click on that. I will go to the classwork and here I see there is a folder for joining the meeting link. I will click on that and will ask me to select a platform. I'll definitely go with Meet. I'll wait for a few seconds and select the ID which I want to join the session. So here it will take us, it will ask us to turn on the camera if you are comfortable with that. Also, you can mute your mic as per your convenience. I'll go with turning off the camera and we'll click on ask to join. To wait here for few seconds until the owner of this meeting doesn't allow. Now successfully I got the entry here. Now you see we have many options available. I can click on three dots which can help me to text and to communicate with my friends like this. Also I can receive the messages here. Apart from that, I can also share the screen if I wish to share something with my friends. So let's suppose I would like to share my activity which I have submitted. So I can open the folder and can show that activity and whatever you want to. After sharing this, you have also an option available to stop sharing the screen. You just need to click on the cross sign and it will help you to stop sharing. If you are facing with internet issue, you can also take help of a feature which is turn on captions, which will help somebody to read the captions if you are not able to hear somebody and the person is not audible. Apart from that, you can also report a problem if you face. Additionally, you can also report some abuse if something is creating trouble for you. And similarly, we have setting options as we had in starting. We have few features available with this speaker as well. You can keep it on phone. You can keep your audio as well off. And if you are not planning to use any feature, you can click on cancel button. We have also another feature to rotate your screen that helps students to share their assignments if it is in offline mode. For an example, you can see it will be visible in such a way. If you wish to see who are the part of this team, you can click on this small triangle with the arrow, which will help you to know. You will be able to see that how many candidates or members are attending the session with you. This information will help you to click the link to share with your peers and members. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you couldn't understand in one go, you can watch the video twice, thrice as per your convenience. Also, you can make some notes in your notepad. If you know some features which is missing in this video, you can share with me by the comment. I must appreciate it. Thank you so much.